This is toroidal transformer to 20 input AC and 3 wires output. This is 23 volts. This is 23 AC. The color blue and the ground is black. So I assemble power supply for amplifier. So I use bridge diode. The connection of this diode, brother, is two of this is AC line, positive and negative. So I connect first diode to our transformer. Okay. Okay, brother, this is the connection. Then the black is ground. And I will use two capacitor, 50 volts, 6800 microfarad. So I series these two capacitor. Okay, brother. Negative, positive, negative. Okay, brother, the black wire is here, ground. I connect the ground, brother. And positive, when this is the symbol, brother. There's a symbol in bridge diode, positive, connect here, and negative, connect there, here to the negative of capacitor. So I use wire, brother, wire, connect, positive, negative, sorry, connect, negative, diode, this is negative. Okay, next are positive, here, connect, positive, okay, this is our connection. This is ground, positive, ground, negative. And I use my large capacitor 104 100 volts parallel to our positive to ground. And negative output to ground. This is my large capacitor, brother. 104 100 volts or 1 PF, 104 PF. Okay, for our next video, brother, I will connect this amplifier. mono amplifier. So for part 2 video, brother, I will show you how to connect this amplifier board. Okay, thanks for watching. uh Sorry, brother, I will test first the output supply. I will show you how to test output supply. I will use bulb for safety. Here, set our digital tester to 200 volts DC. Okay, switch on, and I will test the voltage. This is positive ground. There's 32 volts positive both in ground and negative. Sorry, this is ground and positive. Okay, there's 32 negative 32 DC. Okay, thanks again, brother, for watching. I'm from Philippines.